Planetary Gearbox. Planetary Gearbox is a precise power transmission device. It consists of important components such as planetary gears, sun gears, and an internally meshing planetary carrier. Utilizing the principle of gear transmission to achieve deceleration and torque output. The planetary gearbox has the characteristics of lightweight, small size, large transmission ratio range, high efficiency, smooth operation, low noise, and strong adaptability. It is widely used in industrial sectors such as metallurgy, mining, lifting and transportation, electricity, energy, building materials, light industry, and transportation. The performance of the planetary gearbox is comparable to other military-grade reducer products, but it has the price of industrial-grade products. We provide various models include PGO, PGH, PGR, PGHR, PGF, PGFR, PGC, PGE, PGER, etc. All products are customizable. If you have any needs, please contact us.